Here's two different ways you can think about modes. The first way I'm going to show you is basically thinking of modes as alterations of the major or the minor scale. So if we're looking at C minor, for example, right, I could, for example, make Dorian by taking the A flat, making it an A natural, right? In a more general sense, this is called taking the 6th scale degree, 6, and raising it by half a step. That makes Dorian. And you can do the same thing to get Phrygian. Take a minor scale, and for Phrygian, you take the 2nd scale degree, 1, 2, and put it down by half a step. That is Phrygian. You can also think of modes as taking a set of notes and starting on a different position. What I mean by that is if we're in C major, you would start on C, play all the white notes up. That's a C major scale, right? Let's say I want to get a D Dorian. I could simply take all of the white notes, but start on D. That is D Dorian, right? And this applies to pretty much any key. Like if I start on G, right, play all the white notes, that's Mixolydian. That second method is a little bit different because you're taking basically a set amount of notes, like these, that are in a known scale, and I used C major, for example, and just like using them in a different order to create a mode, right? Now, both of these are completely viable. I personally like thinking them as alterations of the major and minor scales, like for example, Mixolydian, flat 7, but it's up to you. These are just two ways that I've commonly seen modes thought of.